We take this time now to honor today's four-state hero, Walter Falk. Arcadia, Kansas native, Walter Falk served as a corporal in Korea for the U.S. Army, and we thank you for your service, Corporal Walter Falk, today's four-state hero.
This kicks off with Reed Johnson reminding us that some summer warmth is on the way. A great picture of Reed out at the beach, and a happy 7th birthday to you, kiddo, in Fort Scott.
And we've got Jessie Scott over in Quapaw. She is turning 10 years old today. A very happy birthday to you, Jessie.
We go from 10 to 11 because that's where we find Olivia Harris. Olivia celebrating in Minden Mines. Have a marvelous birthday, Miss Olivia.
And we've got Sydney Schneickenhurt, who attends, I know I just butchered that, and I'm so sorry. That is a beautiful dress. We're going to make up for it. A beautiful dress, a beautiful looking young lady, turning 17. It'll be 18 before you know it. And this is from Love Dad, Mom, and Steven, and she attends Labette County High School.
Nate Jacobs, happy 18th birthday. We got their little Southeast Lancer pride. Absolutely love it. Happy birthday to Nate in Pittsburgh with love from the entire family.
And we've got Larry Plotnick turning 66 in Fort Scott.
They're back.
Here's the deal. Okay, so yeah, I of course wasn't here yesterday.
They're back.
Larry's a twin. Their birthdays were yesterday. Unfortunately, we had the wrong picture of Larry yesterday, so this is with the real Larry Plotnick.
Well, and
please sit down.
So I got on the Plotnick, and I got a chance to meet the Plotnick. They're marvelous people. And so maybe I called somebody out yesterday for having one of their pictures but not having the other. So this works out perfectly.
Yeah, because guess who's next?
There we go.
Twins. This is Gary Plotnick.
There we go.
Living in Claremore, Oklahoma. And of course, Gary aired as a no picture, but like you mentioned, we got it corrected. So we are celebrating. You can go celebrate your twins. Celebrate your birthday twice. Plus, you're turning 66. Twice is nice. Go celebrate twice.
That is perfect. Thank you, Plotnick family. That's tremendous. Gary Terry is turning number 80. Mr. Terry, a very happy birthday to you. He's celebrating in Carthage.
And we've got Lucille Gultra in Fort Scott. You can't tell, but she is turning 95. 95.
Miss Lucille, what a gorgeous picture.
Absolutely, and I need to know her secret to make it to 95 because she looks great.
Dolly Robison had a birthday over the weekend in Columbus, and we're going to catch up because we want to wish Miss Dolly a very, very happy one as well. Speaking of Columbus, that's also where Amy Gray celebrates a birthday. Happy birthday to Amy. Becky Crystal, for all of you at Highland Elementary in the bus, make sure that you stop by and tell Miss Becky a very happy birthday. Teresa Leak, the big 5-0. Congratulations to Teresa in Altamont. Jaden Stevens recently celebrated a birthday, catching up with her and want to wish her a marvelous 17. And Addison Stevens had a birthday over the weekend. She is now 11, and she is one of Jaden Stevens' younger siblings. So a very busy and celebratory weekend in the Stevens household. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Chris Warner with a very important birthday announcement.
This is such an important birthday message because you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You know what happens when you do that? Do you know what happens? Ron, do you know what happens? Ron does not know what happens. You get stuff. You get some great deals from local businesses. And in order to cash in on all that, all you need to do is go over to KOAMnewsnow.com and you just click on that, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Michael Hayslip.
We'll be right back after this.